Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix QR code scanner not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search camera app. Click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on, if you want to fix this problem, click on force stop and click on OK. After click on OK, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Again, click on settings app. Click on apps and again click on camera and click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings and turn on scan QR code and turn off scan QR code. So turn on or turn off scan QR codes. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is update software. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix QR code scanner not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.